Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to stream games inside Discord app on your mobile device. If you find this video useful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video, shall we? Alright, for this demonstration I am going to stream the game called Risk inside Discord. So the first thing I need to do is open up Discord, and then I need to join a voice channel inside Discord. So I'm going to choose my server, and now I'm going to click on General in the voice channel. And now I'm going to click on Join Voice. Now, page here. And now from here, what I want to do is hold the middle part here, Discord, or tap it. And now swipe up for more settings. And then under soundboard, you got share your screen. So that's the one we need to choose to share our screen. So start recording or casting with Discord. Discord will have access to all of the information that is visible on your screen or played from your device while recording or casting. This includes information such as passwords, payment details, photos, message, audio that you play. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Start now. And now if I go back, as you can see, this little box here on the bottom right is what's being displayed inside Discord. So I'm going to open up the Risk game. And as you can see on the bottom right, this game is being streamed inside Discord. So yeah, that's it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.